Hello everyone, today we're going to be presenting our app called SurveySnap. This is a MATLAB application project. So the contents of this presentation is explaining the problem, the project description, the functionalities, the persona and such, as well as the walkthrough. So business students need to understand computer needs and feedbacks, obviously, which is why surveys are a key tool to them. However, they often face challenges with especially this, organizing and managing survey responses. Because in Google Forms, you can export the CSV file of basically the survey responses. And it's very disorganized. If you see it, it's very disorganized. So this program analyzes the collected data for them. So another problem is, again, analyzing the collected data from the CSV file. The complexity of advanced survey software. There are the survey software that analyzes for you, but again, it's very hard to the learning curve of using the program is very hard. So this project aims to fix that. So the last problem is the tediousness of manual data entry. So if you don't have access, because again, survey software that has advanced analysis either has a very steep learning curve or they are behind a paywall. And obviously you have tools like Microsoft Excel as well as Google Docs. So you can do that, you can analyze manually, obviously. But again, it's very tedious and it's very error prone. So the project targets especially Bachelor of Science in Accounting, BSA students, as well as the general public. Well, it's mostly towards general public, but specifically people who do research and survey, like BSA students, who they need to analyze the survey data for projects. The value of the program is it automates the tedious parts of the survey analysis by automatically generating frequency analysis. Frequency analysis can in the program can be both, well, actually it's displayed both as a table as well as a frequency graph na rin talaga. Summary statistics, visualizations from simple CSV file, providing instant clear insights. So the significance of this program is that it makes survey data analysis very simple, actually, and accessible for everyone, especially for beginners. So basically, all you need is a MATLAB instance, or you can even run it at MATLAB online, and you can run it, and it's actually not that hard, honestly. It's very simple to run. As well as it eliminates the need for manual data entry since it automatically reads the CSV files, as well as it automatically analyzes it for you. So you don't actually have to do anything. You have to import the file to the program, but that's pretty much the hardest part. So the functionalities. So this program, or this project, pretty much, SurveySnap, is designed to be used basically for the general public. So the persona struggles with a complex or expensive data analysis software and finds manual data entry and organization in spreadsheets tedious. They need a simpler and faster way to analyze their survey results. So the benefits of this program, again, is you only need to import a CSV file and then they automatically get data analysis that includes a count of duplicate responses. The program's fast and simple interface provides instant insights and increase the user's confidence in their survey work. Okay, here is the MATLAB app. So when you first load it, this is basically the interface. So there are actually 3 ways in order to import a CSV file. First of all is to actually enter the file name. Well, it's not just the file name. Actually, you can enter the file name, assuming you have the file inside of SurveySnap, the folder, and then it's going to load it for you. Or you can hit this button, the import button. So you can actually select a CSV file anywhere in the computer in a graphical user interface. It's gonna load it in the file name. You have to click load CSV. There we go. It loads it for you. Or this is in a case of the third way in order to import, which is if you have only one CSV file inside of this main directory here, you can just click load CSV. There. It's automatically going to search the folder for a CSV file and it's going to automatically load it for you. Basically, there's a default phrase that the program uses in order to filter the question words. But if you want to change that, you can click on the settings icon here, and you can actually select for a custom uh, tech, a custom list in a .txt format, and it's going to load it for you here, and it's going to import that and change it like that. So this is table view. This is basically a simplified version of your CSV file that actually matters for you. So there's also here the most common keywords. So this only appears if a certain response is repeated more than once. So in overall satisfaction, more than one people said 5. You have here your graphs. So your analysis graphs, like your rating graph, it's automatically going to generate a rating graph here. And then you can click the satisfaction graph, and it's going to get the overall satisfaction. And then the keyword graph. This is basically showing a keyword to occurrences graph, frequency graph. So as you can see here, there are 3 people that are saying analytics as well as reporting, while all of the others are only occurring once. So if I remove this satisfaction column and save it and reload it here, if you click on it, it's gonna throw out an error. So basically, both rating graph and satisfaction graph only works if the keywords contain rating as well as satisfaction, and if it contains a numerical value. But however, what if you have 2 CSV files? It's gonna put out an error in the status display, multiple CSV files. Please specify here or here. So you can only use method 1 and 2. And the final feature of this program is the exit app. You can exit it. That's it.